Video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through one of the wonderful resources we have for adding pre-service or worship videos that we have. So it's called ignitermedia.com. So if you go to www.ignitermedia.com, and if you log in here, our username is media@wcmc.ca, and our password is the same password as the iMac login. And it is saved on the iMac, so you should be able to just click login if you're doing it there. And then it's actually a great resource. You can see that these are the original ones that they have, some special ones. Mother's Day is coming up, so it's a great resource for that. You can also search it and browse through different ones. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to download it. So once you're logged in, you've found the video that you want, then this button here shows up and you can just click download. And I always use the HD format, and ProPresenter actually likes 720p MOVs better than it does MPEGs, but both would work. And then you just select download and you can save that to where you need it to go, and then there's a way to import it into ProPresenter. So I'll just do that quickly. We'll save that. I'm not going to save it. I'll save it in the Dropbox here. So we'll click save that. So now that that's downloaded, you can click the download button there and it'll open the folder. So it's right here. It downloads as a zip file. So you need to double click that first and extract it so that it can be a video file. So we don't need the zip file, so you can delete that by selecting Command Delete with it highlighted, and that'll throw it into the trash. So now that we have it here, there's a couple ways that we can bring it into ProPresenter. So I'll open up ProPresenter here. One of the ways that you can do it is, because this is a video with sound, it would be a foreground video. So if we open our video image bin, and if it's not open there, you can open it by selecting video image up here. So I'll open that, and then you can either grab it from the Finder window that it is here and just click and drag and make sure that you have a plus symbol there, and that adds it there. And then you can just add it to your schedule that you need, and then that shows up as a video. Another way that you can do it, if you'd like, you can create a document for it. So you can click plus new, and that creates a new document, and then you can create a document with it. And one of the advantages of a document is that you have a bit more control over what you do with the video. So I've just created a document in the library. So if I place it there, what that does is it just gives you a blank document there, but you can put it here, and then you can also add like another slide where it'll go to blank, or it'll go to a logo or a follow-up. Also, if you place it on a slide like this, if you go to edit slide, you can actually put text over top of it and do lots of different edits with it. So it's a lot more powerful. If you need to do some of that stuff, you can, but otherwise just adding it in foreground works fine too. But the document is a nice feature to have. So I hope this was helpful for you. Again, if you need to see how the video is going to behave, you can look here and see that it's a foreground video, so that means it should overlay on the text. If you want it to go behind, you can actually change the media queue behavior to be a background video, and then it will loop and do some different things as well. But that's one of the wonderful resources we have. Other great resources for worship backgrounds perhaps, and different things would be cmgcreate.com. And this is a free website that allows you to get all these different still images of different textures, backgrounds, flags, crosses. And then there's some neat things here which are called pro layers, and that actually allows you to add some different layers to your text. And I'll do a different tutorial video on that next. So hope that was helpful. But yeah, to recap, there's a couple neat resources we have. Ignitermedia.com and then CMGcreate.com gives you some great options for making the worship experience a little bit more engaging for people.